Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today is what day is today? Day December 5th. Hello. Wait, let me make sure. I'm a little confused here. I'm sorry, it's December 4th. I don't know my days. We are here with the Charlie's Advent Calendar. We are on number 4. How do I get in here? Almost. Let me try the other way. Day 4, here we go. We are going to open number 4, do 1 nail, possibly maybe 2 with it, depending on what it is. Are we ready? Are we ready? Ooh. We have got some nail foil. Beautiful, beautiful nail foil. So, royal blue glitter is what it is called. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Beautiful. I need to grab, let me see. That's not it. I'm going to be using my McCart nail art foil. I am going to be using, let me see. I just had my, where is my little file? I have a little buffer. I'm going to buff me up a stiletto nail. Just because it's a habit of doing for gel acrylics. Wipe it off. I shouldn't wipe it off on me, but you know, what are you gonna do? I'm going to be using a Beetles foundation, putting a base coat on the tube. Whoops. Whoopsie! Just a quick little coverage of foundation. Uno. Dos. Putting them in for a cure. Probably about a 30-second. So I'm going to open my Charlie's Nail Art foil. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful foil. Whoopsie. Whoopsie didn't go. Nice long piece. Here's the start. And here we go. Okay, let me see. You should, by rights, paint your nail the same color or approximately that you're doing your foil. Just in case you get bare patches, but okay, I have to go this way with it. Trying to measure up so I can cut. I really don't want to paint the nail, but I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. This is really strange to admit. I don't have any polish this color, or even close. I've got one by Diva in a bottle, and it's a hollow. a hollow glitter. Beautiful, beautiful color. But so we're just gonna put my faith in my cart because I know it is a great, great foil glue. Make sure you get full coverage, or your nail's gonna have some bald spots. So we're just going to make sure our sides are completely covered. Pop these back in the lamp and pray for the best. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. This is a full month here in December. We've got Charlie's Nail Art every day for the event calendar. We have got 12 days of Christmas going on. We are not doing my docu-series learning acrylics or Sheet Modern Saturday while I'm doing this, because that would be 4 videos on Tuesday and Saturday. And I'm not thinking you're going to watch 4 videos on Tuesday and Saturdays for me. So, yeah. We're going to put those on pause. We'll pick up them up like mid-month. See what we can do for the Christmas season. I got a lot of ideas for the acrylics. I want to do a Christmas acrylic marbling with the red and the green, with Betty Boop and mistletoe from Ideal Beauty's mistletoe. Beautiful, beautiful color. I can't wait to use it. Come on, lamp. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I don't think they need to cure this long. So we're going to take this out of the lamp. Whoops. Whoopsie. I don't know where my nail is. You can use a silicone tool. You can rub, rub, rub. My cart is, I swear by it. Swear, swear, swear. As soon as you touch it to the foil, it just immediately starts to transfer. So I do swear by this. I was turned on to this by Nails by Tammy and Princess Nails by Diana. They swore by it, so I had to try it because the one I was using I had no luck with. No luck at all. So I'm going to do a little bit more rubbing here on the sides to make sure I got full coverage. I'm scared. It's always kind of nerve-wracking because, I mean, I know this has worked for me before, and I can see around the edges it has transferred, but I have some spots here at the tip where it's not, and I don't want that. I want full coverage, so that's got me a little worried. Oh wow, look at that, that didn't give me full coverage. So, what you can do, maybe, I don't know, let me cut me another piece and try something else. I was told, let me find my rubbing alcohol. Shit, I don't have a lint-free wipe out here either. Good lord. I was told, I can't remember by whom. Take your isopropyl alcohol, wipe the back of your foil, I want to get my tip, and it is coming off, as you can see. So I want to get, you know, better coverage. You can do either method. I can't believe this happened. So I'm going to turn the lamp back on for that one. Get that one heated up. Oh, this thumbs me out. This is not how my cart works. I swear to you, I normally get beautiful full coverage nail the first and one time. I'm going to top coat her while that one is in the oven. Beautiful top coat. Or why? Oh, I can't talk. Look how beautiful that is. That is a beautiful, beautiful blue. I'm going to stick this one in the oven to cure. Cut us a new piece of foil. Oy. I'm going to wipe the back of this one off as well. And this is what you get on from the backing. Alright. We are ready for the nail to come out. Just gotta wait on my lamp for just a minute. I'm starting to get parts, so please excuse me. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Looks like it was AliExpress today. Oh. I put it on short of the length of the nail. Rub-a-dub-dub. You could even get your silicone tool, which I've never done. I don't think I'm getting full coverage here, and this really upsets me. There's some spots up here that look patchy to me looking through the top side here. Whoops. Whoopsie. Put the nail down here. Rub-a-dub-dub. Rubber ducky in the tub. This is a beautiful blue foil. I will say that. So here we go. I'm gonna top coat, put this one in the lamp. Is she right, Paul? What does that mean, ladies? Does that mean I'm gonna be coming into some loot? That would be great for Christmas shopping. I think this one I might try to do some bling. So let me see what I got sitting around. Get my wax picker upper. I got a little red one, put that one right here. See if we can center it better. None of these are right side up. Oh my goodness, and they're all red. I don't want red ones. Well, let me see. It will not pick up. There we go. Let me pick this one up now. Place them where you want them. And a little red one on the tip. Oops. Okay, I'll put this one in the lamp now. Give them a quick, not a quick cure, a full cure. And again, this is a beautiful, beautiful, what'd she call it? Royal blue glitter foil from Charlie's Nail Art. It is gorgeous. You can get a lot of manicures off of one sheet. I did waste, you know, so you didn't have to do as I did. Save your foils. You can, the way I cut them, I could have done 2 nails off of one side, and I didn't. Where is the opening? Save your foil, put it back in the pouch. They are resealable. And there you go. I will keep that with my other items for the event calendar. Check out other ladies that are doing this. Pumpkin's Nail Station, I know, is doing this. Tammy's Manny is doing the event calendar. Karina's Nail Station, or not Karina's Nail Station, Karina Nail Designs. I'm sorry, honey. Got you and Pumpkin's channels there crossed. Pumpkin's Nail Station, Tammy's Manny's, Karina Nail Designs, myself, of course. I don't know who else is doing these, but I think these turned out beautiful. A little bit of Christmas flash. Should have did red and green. Should have pulled my green ones out. Aww. So what do you think? Let me comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 5. And who knows what it'll be. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day, and thank you.